like to go ahead and spray it out. Just watch your eyes, because this stuff can spray back into your eyes. Yeah, see, that didn't blow very good. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and grab the compressor. Alright. I like to take my air hose, I believe I got a clog here. There it goes. This was clogged. Now, go ahead back to this.